Hello, today Nana want to teach you how to register used goods. Firstly, log in to Necto. From the home page, we can see this sell icon. Click into it and you will see this register used good page. Let us start from the title. Give your used good a title and then select the category of your used good. You can register some related keywords to increase your item exposure. The function is same as hashtag. Now, we put in the price. If the price is negotiable, then we can tick the negotiable. Now, we can either directly get the item's photo by camera or from our photo library. Okay. Let's write more descriptions for the used good to let buyer easily understand the used goods, especially the conditions of the used goods. Finally, click the Save button and your used goods will be successfully registered. Thank you.